the growing recognition that what students do outside of the classroom is just as important as what they do in the classroom. And so we've been gradually providing students with more and more learning resources that they can engage with beyond the good old-fashioned just getting them to read the textbook. The sorts of resources that I've created with Wiley for this textbook, I use them in my own teaching. So in teaching business law, I've always unapologetically started from the assumption that the students don't know anything about the legal and political system in Australia, and just started from the very beginning. And I'd literally put up a map of Australia in my class and explain, this is Australia, here are the states, this is how it all works, here are the territories, and so on, and then build up from there. When we start doing the much more advanced legal topics, I know that everybody's on the same page. The law is something that touches all of our lives every day, and studying case examples shows exactly how the law can be used to solve problems as well as occasionally create problems. So case studies bring the law to life. But the most exciting thing is that we've really made the effort to ensure that we include throughout the textbook contemporary case studies, case examples.